Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, please go and follow our Facebook account, Mowers Family Farm. Also follow us on Instagram as well, Mowers Farm, Mowers Family Farm should come up. I'll try and show you in this video now. So the first video we're doing here, I'm sorry I haven't done for a little while, we'll take a bit of a break, is getting the ignition running on the Leyland. So I'll show you that now. Over the next couple of weeks I've got a lot of videos coming out. I've got a little one on the Massey. I'm going to have videos, update videos, showing what's going on around. I've got plans to do some different stuff like agricultural stuff, things that are car related as well, underseating the car, painting wings and stuff like that. So we'll see how we got on with that and see if you guys want to see any of that. All depends on this weather because it's absolutely hammering down wind and rain. As you know, we haven't got electric in any of our buildings, so it makes things 10 times harder, even though I should be doing jobs in the buildings. Yeah, been like this now for like a month, just solid rain. So we'll do some form of update video, maybe in this one or next. We'll see what happens. I haven't got a clue. I've already recorded the footage on the Leyland, so we'll get that in, see how long the video is, and we'll go from there. Today we are on the Leyland again. What we are going to be doing is trying to get the ignition switch all set up so it runs off the key. I've just popped the battery back in and get that connected up. What we're going to be looking at today is the wiring here on the starter motor, and then the wiring here goes into the ignition under here. Should have brought a torch. Famous last words for me at the minute, every time when I'm in the barn. Should have brought a torch. So let's see how we get on. Got some light in here now so I can show you guys the just up there. Oh, he's still there. You can see it in the background there where the ignition goes in. Oh, I can't get my hand in there. Over that way there. That's where the ignition goes in there. So Dad's just changing connectors and wires. He's got a tester as well.
So we got electric feed, but
so we've got an electric feed. The problem is we don't know which goes onto which. So it's going to be a case of a guessing game.
Mine's got to power it up.
Yeah, but I'm just saying to show that it's showing that you've got the ignition working. So now we need to do the battery.
Yeah, need to jump it.
Need to jump the battery. Yeah. So we've got the feed working now.
Yeah.
So Dad's been using his electric tester here. And in there, I'll go the other way around. He's put some temporary wires in just to see if we can get it working off the ignition.
Which we can.
Have you got some light you can put on quickly?
Which we can, so...
Chuck some light on in there for me.
Which we can, so we now know.
So your temporary wiring is this one here.
And the one there, that brown one.
And then this brown one here.
Now I can plug them
and they lead in
to the switch.
I assume that's coming out there onto the ignition there.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. And now what we need to do is obviously jump it off the battery. So the battery's terrible anyway. We knew it was probably going to be a dud. Then again, we charged that days ago and it's not been run. So, yeah. Well, it was charged over a week ago.
Yeah, well, the battery probably.
So the battery might just want to go on charge again.
Battery probably ain't a lot of cost.
Yeah, well, we can buy another one.
It's an old battery.
So I know that's a really short video there. Usually our videos are a lot longer, but it was just a quick, simple way of showing you what we was doing. I didn't really show all the wiring changing that, so it was literally connecting new wires with connectors, testing them for a live feed, and then connecting them onto the ignition. Again, it's so dark to record it, it's quite hard, but it's good to have the actual tractor running off the ignition switch now, rather than having to put a cross wires onto the starter. What we need to do now is either put a brand new battery on it or just keep running it off a jump. Some people do that, just run them off jumps. It depends what our plan is with it really. Do we tidy it up and sell it? What do we do? So at the minute we're not sure what we're doing. We're going to keep progressing with it, getting it in a better condition, because we haven't really got around to having it running for very long using it. So we'll probably put a new seat in it, sort of bit the tin work out, and decide the sort of tractor we want to keep or not. So I'll also, to update, the fertilizer spread I showed you the other day has gone. We've sold that now, so that's good.